Okay, I think it
All
was
right, Mom, you
Nancy.
need to start from the beginning. We're looking at the. You've seen this, guys, and it's the flowers from. I just asked my mom about it. There's my mom. Tell us what you think they were from.
I believe those were collected by Nancy Calloway and her mom, Phyllis Hooler, when Grandma moved out of Greenlawn Avenue, and they're for the lily of the valleys that grew under the little overhang that we picked every year. And those would be
So they're lilies.
very, very old. Very old.
So it would be a miracle if they grew.
It's like, I'm talking 1952 when we moved.
Okay, so that would be a miracle if they grew. Well,
So-
let's go in the greenhouse real quick because I got something to show you.
Okay.
Da, 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 da.
Remember Nancy Calloway gave me that and I didn't have.
All right, so this is Great Grandma Flowers.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Look what's there.
Look
I got
at that.
2 of them. There's not more of them in there, but so far only 2 of them have come up. This over here was grass,
Okay.
and so I'm hoping that's not grass, but that doesn't look like grass.
No.
So it's something else. It's definitely something else, and it looks a lot more like these guys there.
Mm-hmm.
See those guys? And those grew from seed from irises
Oh, wow.
that I had. So, yeah. All right. I just wanted to get that down on record. So this is 50-some-year-old seeds, apparently. That's what we're looking at.
Well, Grandma, we moved to, I was in junior high school, so, and I'm going to be 80, so it was like a while back that Grandma moved out of Greenlawn Avenue. I think Phyllis had taken some and planted them at her house, and then she kept them up there. So those actual seeds might not be that old, but when
Well, they might only be 50 years instead of 80 years.
but they have to be when they have to be from when we, I think I received that when we moved into North Inlet Drive, which was 1978, and Nancy gave me those to carry on the seeds.
Okay, well, now you can tell Nancy that those little suckers are alive.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Anyway, all right. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Goodbye.